Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Huge shout out Caseology for sending me the tempered glass screen protector and camera lens glass protector for the Google Pixel 8a. Now both the screen protector and glass lens protector are compatible with Caseology cases. I will be testing out a few others in this video just to show you that you're not going to have any issues if you have a case from a different company. So if you screw up one, you have another one to work with. So hopefully you don't. Now all the information to purchase the tempered glass screen protector and the camera lens glass protector will be down below in the description area. Any products that are in this video, those links will be down in the description area as well. There is information on the back here, so please read everything. All right, so let's get into this very nice packaging here and see what we have. Well, we have this frame here that's going to go over the top of my Google Pixel 8a. If you do have some sort of sticky rubbery pad like this laying around, it really helps keep your smartphone in place. Got the squeegee here. Once we put on the glass protector, if there's any bubbles that didn't come out by themselves, we're going to squeeze them out with this little guy here. It's pretty cool looking. Put that over to the side. I did turn off my Pixel 8a. Just makes it so much easier. And you know what else makes it easier? Is if you do the installation during a part of your day where it's non-chaotic. You want to enjoy the process. You don't want a lot happening and you're going to get irritated. The patience you do have is going to go out the window. I find it best to do this during the evening hours when everything starts to calm down. So anyway, let's speed up the video. All right, everything looks great. You can see that the edge of the glass protector doesn't come all the way over to the edge of the Google Pixel 8a display, top, bottom, and sides, leaving just enough space to be able to sport a Caseology case. This is the Capella Clear. And, well, we're going to try out a few other ones. We have the Crave Dual Guard Red. We have the Poetic Neon with magnet for MagSafe there. And we have the Ringke Fusion Clear matte back there. Got that matte texture, not completely clear, but clear enough. But the purpose of the cases is to see if they're going to work with the tempered glass screen protector. And on the back, you can see the glass camera lens protector. It looks great as well. All right, so let's put on the Capella. No issues. Little bit of a gap right in there. It's actually on the edge of the bezel all the way around. That is nice. Very nice. Great protection for the beautiful AMOLED flat 120 Hz display. All right, so let's take off this case and we'll put on the Ringke Fusion. No issues with the glass camera lens protector back there either. And again, we got a little bit of gap all the way around. So no lifting whatsoever. Very nice. So the Ringke Fusion passes. The Poetic Neon. No issues whatsoever. All right. I'm digging that. And the dual guard Crave case. Right. We're in business, folks. That is nice. Obviously, that huge cutout's not going to get in the way of that camera glass lens protector. So all three of these cases pass. All right, let's put the Capella back on. Plenty of space there with the camera glass lens protector. And what I want to do is test out the fingerprint reader. You may have to reset it. That's normal if you do. Sometimes you don't have to. Well, I didn't have to that time. Let's try it again. Double tap and boom. And let's take a couple pictures and make sure we don't get any extra glare. Anything on the negative with that camera glass lens protector back there. All right. No issues. Looks good. All right. That's it, folks. Let me know your thoughts on the installation. Caseology, huge shout out to you. Yeah. Getting the job done when it comes to protecting my investment with the Capella case. Clear. Tons of protection going on here. Like I always say in my case video reviews, you have to do your part. Hold on with a really, really good firm grip. With that, all the information to purchase will be down below in the description area. And that's it, folks. God bless. Stay safe, healthy. Peace. I'm out.